Perlite is one of the most beneficial soil conditioner. If used in a correct way, it can decrease the chance of many fatal plant-related issues like root rot, fungus, dieback and many more. So in this video, we will see how to use Perlite, what are its benefits and much more. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Perlite is made from volcanic glass. It's a natural thing with extremely good drainage and aeration. It doesn't contain any nutrients in it. In appearance, it's a white colored, very lightweight and porous granular material without any strong smell. It's widely used in professional potting mixes by nursery owners. Its main purpose of use is to make the soil media porous, well draining and loose. Correctly using Perlite have several benefits like better drainage, zero waterlogging issues, improved soil looseness, excellent aeration around the roots and better root growth. And its one quality is that it absorbs moisture and store it deep inside and provide it back to the roots when they try to suck. So overall it's a super useful thing and you should must try this. Now let's know in what ways we can use Perlite for our plants. The first way is to use it while they transplant, especially while transplanting house plants that are at a greater risk of root rot and fungal issues. You can make a layer of Perlite at the base of the pot, make sure it contains drainage holes. Now you can add soil and do the whole repotting like the ordinary way. To learn the safest way of repotting, you can follow the description box video. This plant with the Perlite at the base will have an advantage of better drainage. Hopefully it will recover within a week and start growing. Another easy way to use Perlite for plants is to mix it in a potting mix. While preparing any kind of potting mix, you can include Perlite in it. There is no need to use it in an ordinary soil media. For example, if you wanna fill a big grow bag, then Perlite have no use in this case. While if you wanna grow a cutting or a sensitive house plant, then Perlite could be very useful. Simply add 1 part of Perlite in 4 to 5 parts of your potting soil. This is enough to make the mixture better. So do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Another easy way to use Perlite is to add this in the seeds media. Seeds are very sensitive to the soil media. If your seed starter is hard or maybe water blocking, this can affect the germination of the seeds very badly. So using 1 part of Perlite in 3 parts of your seed starter will optimize it very well and you will get much better germination rate. The seedlings will be healthy and stronger too. You can also buy a pure quality Perlite and a seed starter from the description box. You can also use Perlite in your cacti and succulents media. Cacti and succulents are sensitive kind of plants and using Perlite will make the drainage best for their healthiest growth. You can mix 1 part of Perlite in 4 parts of your soil media. An example recipe using Perlite in succulents potting mix is also linked in the description box if you like to watch. Using an ideal method, you can use Perlite on all type of plants, but it's most useful for sensitive plants. For example, the rare houseplant varieties, cacti and succulents, for growing seeds and so on. There is no need to use it for seasonal flowering or fruiting plants, even for permanent plants. They are already hardy enough to bear the issues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There are also some precautions you should keep in mind while handling Perlite. First of all, mix it very well with the mixture. Watering over the Perlite can float it away because it's very lightweight. Using too much Perlite has no use, only a small amount is enough to make the whole mixture better. Use a good and pure quality Perlite to avoid any contamination in the soil. A cheap and pure quality Perlite is also linked in the description box, you can buy that. You should also use a face mask while using Perlite because it has some powdery Perlite that can be very irritating if you inhale it, so use a face mask. Always use it as a soil conditioner just to make the soil better. It can't work as a whole soil media. It lacks nutrition. It doesn't contain any plant element. That's why there should be a fertilizer in the soil. Otherwise your plants won't grow well. You can also use compost that you can make at home by decomposing the vegetable peels. Here is the detailed guide on this if you like to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.